Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload a high-quality image on your WhatsApp status. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp and go to your main chat screen. Next, open the Meta AI chat. Inside the Meta AI conversation, tap on the camera or image upload option and select the image you want to enhance. After selecting the image, type the prompt, "Make this image HD," and tap on the send button. Meta AI will process your request and generate a higher quality version of your image. This may take a few moments. Once the enhanced image is ready, tap on the forward arrow and select My Status. If you'd like, you can add a caption or description to your status. Finally, tap the send button to upload the image to your WhatsApp status. After the upload is complete, go to the Status tab and open your status to check the image quality. And that's it. This is how to upload a high-quality image on your WhatsApp status. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.